Today we will be removing and replacing the broil element on this Frigidaire freestanding gas range.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
Symptoms of a failing broil element will be no heat coming from the element itself. To begin the repair, you must first access the rear of the unit. Stop. Before beginning any repair, remember to disconnect the power from the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the gas. You will need the following tool to complete this repair. First, to remove your bottom rear panel, you remove the 1/4-inch screws. Place it to the side. With your rear panels removed, you can gain access to your broil element terminals. First, we'll disconnect them. Now we can give it a quick continuity test. Go right through. If it's open, it's bad. We are good. To remove it, we'll now go around to the front. To remove your broil element, you'll have 2 1/4-inch screws going back into the back of the unit. You'll have one going up. This will support it. We'll remove the back 2 first. Now the last one is going up to the top of the unit. With that removed, you can pull the broil element forward and place it to the side. To install the broil element, first you'll line up your terminal holes to the keyed spots in the back of the unit. Next, just kind of work it way back there. Now I like to install the top screw first just to support it. Once that's installed, you can reinstall your 2 1/4-inch screws going into the back of the bracket. Now we'll finish up at the back of the unit. With the broil element now installed, we can reconnect our terminals. And now reinstall our rear panel. To reinstall the bottom rear panel, slide the panel into place. It's best to get the middle one in first. That'll hold it in place to line up your other screws. And this will complete the repair.
Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.